Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload audio to Roblox without copyright. Now the first thing that we want to do is just open up Google and search for this program called Audacity. It's free, so just Google search for Audacity, click on the first link that pops up, and we want to download Audacity here. So once you have downloaded and installed this application, we will open up our computer search, and I'm just going to search here for Audacity. I'm just going to open up the app like so. And it's gonna look something like this. So what we want to do now is import our file that we want to change the song, so here going to import audio, and I'm just going to find my sample file here. It sounds like this currently. Okay, and now what we want to do is just double click on the audio file itself, and here we will go into effect. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna play around with the settings. So what we can do is we can add some reverb. So here I've left it at 80%. Now the delay, we can increase this a little bit as well, so 20, and the rest you can leave like this. And I'm just gonna click on OK, which is going to change my sound slightly. Now, after we have done this, what we want to do is we want to export this file. So we're going to export it as MP3. So I'm going to do test on my desktop, and I'll click on save. Okay. Now, since after we have done this, what we're going to do is we're going to open up Roblox here. We're going to click on create, and we'll just upload this audio here. So we're going to go into creations. I'm going to click on my place. And here I just want to find where it was. Give me a second. Okay, yeah, so after we click on creations here, we will go to development items and audio, and here we can upload an asset, and we can upload our test. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.